So, hi guys, I'm sick today. I planned to do a little video. There's my dog. Her name is Foxy Lady to be exact. The home is a bit of a mess. 3 glasses. I'm sorry. I have a tea. I have some sandwiches with butter and fish. My husband brought this from his work. I think he was sick for maybe 3 days, and now I'm sick. Say hi, baby. I also wait for Amazon delivery today. I've ordered some tools to clean my pores. I have a little bump here. I'm not sure if it will work. We'll try. I had to cancel my 2 clients for today. I'm doing lash extensions. I have a client for lash refill and the other one for lash refill and brow lamination. I also do lamination, lash lift. Sorry. So yeah, I canceled when the first client didn't reply to me. Maybe she forgot or overslept, not sure. But the other one was a bit sad about it, and I've moved her to Friday. Hope I will be feeling good on Friday. I hope. My brows. Don't plug your brows. Yeah, it's a bit weird. Say hi, baby. Are you a happy dog? This is our front yard. Can you see the little yellow chick? And hi, chicken. Don't worry, there were more the black ones, but they disappeared under the fence. Hi, boo. I decided to show you my working space. I show you my working space, where I work, where I do lashes. So this is the room. This is my lash bed. This is bed sheet, this disposable one, the one that goes under the hat. Disposable hat and a tissue that comes inside on the forehead. This is quite nice blanket. I think it's from Rachel Zoe. My chair, some of the stuff that I should get like a tray on a wheel or something. This is gold gloves. Masks. Has really nice colors. I think I'm run out of. I'm gonna show you. I have 2 colors left. The cream and this really nice. Yeah, okay, whatever. Sorry for the mess. So here are the clean tweezers, some of my stuff, lashes, and some more. Here I have a little art. How do you call this? Fluffy cube. Here I have everything for brows, backs, some little sticks with kind of cotton on them, tweezers for brows, and hanging thing. Yeah, sterilizer. Yeah, that's the word. So yeah, I ordered the new lamp, so I'm gonna have it in 2 days. They have this lamp. They have half moon shape, and maybe I think I should get a new chair and a new tray, but later. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing my nails right now. I did a bit yesterday. Not sure if you can see. I removed the cuticle with this scissors, really like a precise one. I used hot water and this thing first, and then hot water. This thing first, and then hot water. Then pushed the cuticle with this and cut it off the scissors. These are Stalex. Yeah, think you can see the model. So they're very sharp and very thin. And after that, I put this Cure Fortify and Rich filler on them. So that's why they looked a bit matte. My dog just saw this little chickens in the backyard and she's a bit excited. So I'm gonna wait a bit because I washed my hands maybe 5 minutes ago. So when they are completely dry, I'm gonna use base coat from Cure 2, which I really like, and then I'm gonna use top coat, maybe 2 layers of this. So these 3 guys are my favorites right now. This trio. This is what my nails look like. Oh yeah, here I should remove this things, how do you call them, extra skin. And I used this glass something nail file for the edge. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this base coat right now on the dry hands and on the dry this thing. So this came first, then this. Yeah, just like that. So this is the first layer of base. I think I will only need 1 layer. And this thing is kind of sticky, so you have to use something on it. I'll go, sorry, with the top coat. Once I'll do the right hand and the thumbnail. In my nails right now, they are not dry, but I see little chickens in the backyard. This is the ugliest backyard ever, I know, but look at hi, Mama Kucha. Beauty. So this is the final result. This is only 1 layer of top coat. I think I should do more. I redid a couple of nails a couple of times because my hand is so shaky today. Maybe because of the illness. Yeah. So in real life it looks better. They are a bit milky, just a bit. Maybe because of that rich filler. I think this is the end for today. This is really lazy vlog. I hope I'll get better tomorrow. We have nice nails. And that's kind of all. My dog is still crying over the chickens in the backyard. I thought of maybe go to bed. I thought maybe I should go get some sleep. But then I remembered that I just did my nails.